Hi, welcome to Joe of All Trades. I'm Joey, and today's video is a little more relaxed. I feel like all my stuff is all over the place, especially with all my new camera equipment and the art equipment that I've accumulated over the past year. So I just want to get that all organized and clean up my setup. So today it's just going to be me cleaning these things up, getting organized, and if you're into that, keep watching. So the first thing I wanted to do with my setup is replace these terrible broken plastic drawers with a set of wooden drawers. So I just crammed all my stuff in there and it doesn't look very good anymore. So what I did is went to Habitat for Humanity and got this set of wooden drawers that you see us moving in for $30. So it was a pretty good deal, and it kind of had that look. I didn't want hardware on it, just like nice smooth wood. And for these drawers I went ahead and got some contact paper and wallpaper smoothing tools to install it. I only used one tool from this kit, and that was just a plastic smoothing piece. I watched a video on how to do this easily and kind of the lazy way with no measuring. I just put the paper inside of the drawer, forced it in to make an edge, and then cut those edges off. So after that, I went ahead and peeled away part of the back of the contact paper and then laid the sticky part onto the drawer and smoothed it out. And so I did that repeatedly, slowly peeling back some of the paper, and then just went ahead and did it completely for the whole drawer. So here you can see the final product. It isn't perfect, but it looks good enough. Here's how my equipment is organized. In drawer 1, I have small video gear like lens, cleaning kits, mics, and accessories. In drawer 2, I have my art materials like my sketchbooks, pencils, colored pencils, and my XP Deco 03 screenless drawing tablet. In drawer 3, I have my music stuff, extra strings, sheet music, terrible song lyrics, and cleaning spray. And then in drawer 4, I have my bigger video gear, my tripod, camera slider rail, handheld camera holders, and various camera straps. Now we can move on to the desk. It is a mess in the current state. I brought back the old Xbox to the office since we got the Xbox Series X. By the way, subscribe and stay tuned for the future review. To help me clean up my desk, I went ahead and got a Vivo single monitor desk mount for $30. I'm going to replace my old monitor stand for this one to help clear off my desk and get it more organized. So the first thing I did was went to cleaning off my desk to get it ready for the mounting, and took the chance to give the old desktop a good dusting. Now, I was going to have a whole montage of me putting this together, but then I quickly realized I had no idea what I was doing. Fortunately, Vivo had a couple videos uploaded on how to put this mount together. So here's my setup. The single arm mount works well for clearing up my desk space and making a much cleaner look. On the side, mounted by a beautiful, inexpensive binder clip, is my pair of Sennheiser HD 280 Pros. I got them at a garage sale for $12 and they were still new in box. My current keyboard is the Corsair K55 RGB. I like that it has a number pad and multimedia buttons. Now it's not mechanical, so sorry Clickity Clack fans. My mouse is the Red Dragon M690-1. I like the thumb rest and how it fits in the palm of my hand. It was $15 when I bought it. There's not really anything to complain about. It works and it was cheap. The star of my setup is my extended display workflow. The monitor is an LG 29-inch 2560 by 1080p widescreen display. My laptop is a 2016 HP Spectre. It is thin and light with a nice bright 1080p to screen. My only complaint is that it isn't very powerful. I noticed a lot of lag when I was using my drawing tablet. I may be in need of an upgrade. Or should I build a PC? Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today and getting to see my setup and how I organize my equipment. It's not much, but it is something I take pride in because this is where I create. But you know what? It does need some improvements. I didn't show you any cable management today because there is about 0 cable management. Also, I think it does need a little bit more. Like, maybe I need some RGB. Maybe I need something to go on the back here to actually bring some life to this white wall behind me. So if you have any suggestions for that, then leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.